Hello friends, welcome to my channel Linux eHub. Today we will discuss a error related to NAS-share. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. Before proceeding to the error, we need to understand what is a NAS-share and how it is work in a Linux systems. So NAS is a share from a storage. When a NAS-share is provided from a storage to a server, we have to mount that storage path in our Linux system using the command mount. So when you will mount using the command mount -t nfs NAS-share, that is the source, and destination will be the which directory we are going to mount. So when we will mount a NAS-share, if it will give a error mount wrong fs type bad option bad superblock on svennd.be/data. So that means somewhere it is not working and we are getting the error. So today we will discuss how to resolve this type of issue. Okay, so please read the error message carefully. What written here: mount : wrong fs type bad option bad superblock on /data missing code page or helper program or other error for several file systems, that is nfs-utils. You might need /smin/mount dot type helper program. That means here we are trying to mount a NFS-share and our operating system is not supporting to the NFS partition type or NFS-share. So it is clearly written that for several file system, that is NFS or CIFS, you might need a /sbin/mount dot type helper program. So some program is missing which is not supporting in our Linux system, that's why it is giving error. So we need to identify which application or which program needs to install in the server. So nfs-utils is a program which needs to install in the server to support the NAS-share. So to find out the nfs-utils package is installed in the server or not, we have to use the command yum list nfs-utils. So it will give the result like installed program and available program. If in your system nfs-utils program is available only, then you can identify that nfs-utils tool is not installed in your server. In my server it is already installed and another updated package is available. So I will show you how to install the package and how it is worked. Let's install the package. For installing the package, you know already, yum install nfs-utils. We will give this command to install the package. So let's wait to complete the installation. So now package installation is completed. Then we will try to mount the share. Command will be mount -t, t means type, nfs, that means nfs-share, and source and destination, that means nfs NAS-share path and destination directory where we are need to mount. For checking all mount points, we need to use the command df-h, so that you can see that NAS mount point is already mounted to my data directory. So for mounting a NAS-share, nfs-utils is the tool we need to install in the server before mounting a NAS-share. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment.